Hello, and in this video, we will see what is an Elastic IP and EC2 instances. Okay, so basically, what happens? Let's first see the problem. So when you have suppose an EC2 instance running, okay, so it has some IP of 3.10.11.12 something. Okay, so when you stop the EC2 instance, and again when you launch this EC2 instance, what happens? The IP gets changed. So it could be anything 4.10.11.12. So IP has changed. So what the issue will happen? Suppose if your app is here, app, and just I'm giving an example. If it's listening to this one, so when the IP will change, app means app.com, your website domain name. So when you restart your or when you stop and again restart your EC2 instance, so in that case your app again will point to same. In that case, it won't see this resources. So this is the one issue. So to solve this issue, we have a concept of Elastic IP. Okay, so Elastic IP is nothing but it provides you the static public IP. Okay, so few things you should keep in mind for this. So whenever you create a Elastic IP, in that case you should, if you keep it like unused, you have not attached to any EC2 instances, so in that case AWS will charge you. And also few things you can do. Suppose one EC2 instance here you are running EC2 1, then you have here EC2 2. Okay, so you have this EIP, some IP we can consider, you can attach to this. And also what you can do, you can de-attach from this, and again you can assign to this. So this same IP can be assigned to the multiple EC2 instances as well, but not at the same time, different at different times. Okay, so this is basically an Elastic IP concept. Next video we'll see how you can configure it in your system. So that's it, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.